Boom.
Big Shaq, Old Tight Asni, Scoop no, Rat no, Usna, Old Tight the girl them as well.
Boom.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees. See your girl in the park, that girl was a uckus. When the thing went you man were ducking. Old Tight Asni, he's got a pumpy. Old Tight my man, he's got a frisbee. I on the road, moving that cornflakes, Rice Krispie. Old Tight my girl Whitney,
Perfect.
on the road doing 10 toes, lama toes. You man thought I froze. I see a pen girl, then I pose. If she's not on it, I ghost. Ha! Look at your nose. What? You dickhead? Look at your nose. Nose long like garden hose. You get me? Boom! Man's gonna come back in.
Yeah.
You know like that? You're feeling that?
Yeah,
You don't know. I see you shivering in that. Don't get shook, man's ear. You're protected in it, yeah?
Let's do it.
Boom. Let's go. Hop out the 4-door with the 440, it was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chilling in the corridor. Your dad is 44, and he's still calling man for a draw. Let him know, when I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Take man Twix by force, send man shot by force. Your girl knows I've got the sauce. No ketchup, just sauce. Raw sauce.
Boom.
Yo, God. And the you done know, Big Shaq. Yo, yeah. Alright. Fire in the booth. You get me? Man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. The girl told me, take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot. Yo, man can never be hot. Perspiration thing. Links effect. Yo, you done know.
Done know.
You look a bit shook, Charlie.
You look a bit hot.
What's that?
You're sweating in that again.
Brother, man, don't make jokes with me, Charlie.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, listen, you're cool in that. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I know.
You're cool in that, but I know how you look in it. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't want to set the the goons out on you. You know, like that.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Don't take me for one of these boys and that. Do you know what I'm saying? Man's really about it.
So why did you let RS take your jacket?
Who's that?
That road safety.
What did he take?
Your jacket.
He didn't take my jacket.
Apparently that leather
Hey,
jacket.
stop doing the conspiracy.
Apparently
Stop
that leather
causing
jacket
the
was yours, fam. I'm just saying, innit?
Man like Charlie, you're trying to cause the conspiracy. I don't man even say the word.
Let's just put it out there, because like
I stop causing the conspiracy.
controversy.
That's not what I'm. Conspiracy.
Conspiracy.
Stop.
Conspiracy.